Julie. Today I will show you this powder packing line working from can scrambler to the powder filling machine. And after that, this is the connect cable. So now I will operate it for you. So you can see from the first stage, the bottle will automatically unscramble by it to this filling machine. That part is the outer conveyor. So you can see this filling machine connect with the outer conveyor, and here have air also. This is the filling head. This part, the bottle come and it will automatically position and filling. Automatic position and filling, and then it will transfer down. So all the machine will with this cover. This cover it will make sure that your factory less dust, and also all the control system is sealed. So it can assure the very good product accuracy. And after packing, you can see it's all in the collecting table. So here you can manage it to your woolen piece or to your cotton. And this is the final product. After packing, it's like this. So if you are interested in this type of machine, you can contact us.